So you started that new nursing job less than a year ago, the one that was supposed to be different, a better schedule, better pay, definitely better management this time, or so they promised. But here you are, scrolling Indeed after another brutal shift, wondering why every nursing job ends up feeling exactly the same. Now, look, if this is you, I need you to listen to what I'm about to tell you because you're not crazy, you're not weak, and you're definitely not alone. I've been a nurse for 27 years. I've worked bedside. I've been in the C-suite as a hospital COO, and I've watched thousands of nurses play what I call hospital hopscotch, jumping from one facility to the next or one department to another, always thinking the grass is going to be greener on the other side. But here's the thing, and this is probably going to sting a little. The problem isn't the hospital. It's not even the specialty area. The problem is that traditional nursing, no matter where you go, it forces you into an impossible choice. You either take the day shift clinic job, the one where you get evenings and weekends off, but you got to make $28 an hour and you get treated like you're not a real nurse anymore. Or you chase the money. Night shift, ICU, travel contracts, ED, overtime, until your eyes bleed. Sure, you might be making, 50, $70 an hour, maybe more, but you're missing your kids' soccer games. Your marriage is hanging on by a thread, and you can't remember the last time you didn't feel exhausted. Now, let me back up and get real with you for a minute. Before I became a legal nurse consultant and built my business, I was you. I went from the emergency department to hospital admin, thinking that each move, each next step on the ladder would fix it. I became a chief operating officer and then a healthcare consultant, making darn good money, respected in my field. But you know what? I was still trapped. It was a different cage, but it was the same prison. Yeah, sure, I wasn't having to deal with bedside politics anymore, but now I had boardroom politics. And instead of missing holidays because I was at the bedside doing patient care, I was missing them for budget meetings. And here's what really got me. I was watching nurses under me going through that same exact cycle that I had. I'd see them in my office, burnt out, asking about transfers to different units. 6 months later, same conversation, different unit. Rachel, she's one of our Catalyst members. She said it perfectly. She had been an L&D nurse for years. She switched to outpatient, thinking that an 8 to 4 schedule would be the answer. And she told me, Randy, the rat race was still the rat race. I was just running it in different shoes. Now look, nurses tell themselves 3 lies when they're stuck in this cycle. And I bet you've told yourself at least one of these. So let's see. Lie number 1 is, maybe I'm just not cut out for nursing anymore. I want you to stop right there. You didn't survive nursing school, pass the NCLEX, and work your butt off to save lives, to not be cut out for nursing. You're burnt out on the system, not the profession. And here's lie number 2. If I can just find the right specialty or the right hospital, then my friend Seth, he was Marine Corps Special Forces before becoming a nurse. And he went from OR to ER to travel nursing and spent 4.5 years searching for that perfect position. You know what he told me? Randy, changing departments was like rearranging deck chairs on the Titanic. The ship was still sinking. Lie number 3. This is just what nursing is. Suck it up, buttercup. This one makes me a little mad because it's exactly what hospital administrators want you to think. They want you to believe that missing your life, destroying your body, sacrificing your mental health, that's just part of being a nurse. Let me tell you this, though. Amanda, she's one of our Catalyst nurses. She was killing herself working float pool across 3 hospitals, a different hospital every day, thinking variety would help. You know where she is now? She's working from her home office. She's managing multiple legal nurse cases, making more money than she ever did at the bedside, and she hasn't missed a single bedtime with her 2 and her 4-year-old in months. And here's the good news. And this is super important. I want you to understand this. You don't need another nursing job. You need a different way to use your nursing expertise that you already have. Legal nurse consulting is not just another nursing job. It's taken everything you know, all that experience, all that medical knowledge, all those assessment skills, and applying it in a completely different arena where you control the terms. Listen to what happened to Kelsey. 8 years in NICU. She tried outpatient. Nothing seemed to work. She joined Catalyst about 1.5 years ago, and she told me, Randy, I am living my dream life. And not a lot of people get to say that. I take my daughter to the zoo on a random Tuesday afternoon. I work when she naps. When I need to be mom, I'm a mom. When I need to work, I work. Guys, that's not job change. That's life change. Now, let me break down why legal nurse consulting solves what job hopping is never going to solve. First, the respect without the politics. When you review cases for attorneys, you're the medical expert. Period. No nurse manager breathing down your neck, no Press Ganey scores, no patient satisfaction surveys. Andrea, she was a VP who got laid off. She thought her career was over. Her first attorney dinner she went to after starting her LLC business, the lawyer looked at her work product on her phone and said, "Are you kidding me? This is way better than what I produce." And that's the kind of respect that we're talking about here. Okay, second, the money without the sacrifice. Sarah had back surgery, couldn't do bedside anymore, started legal nurse consulting, and within months, she's in the Galapagos Islands swimming with sea turtles, managing cases from her laptop. She told me, "Randy, I made money while I was watching dolphins." When's that happen in the ICU? Our nurses who come through Catalyst, they charge usually between $125, $175 an hour, but here's what's better. Do you remember me telling you about Alex and other videos? She grew her business almost 14 times in 1 year, and that's not a typo. 14 times. And she's not trading time for money anymore. She's building something that scales. All right, and the third thing, the schedule that's actually yours. Chelsea, one of our clients, she had 4 brain surgeries. Yeah, you heard me right, 4. Her dad was dying of cancer while she was building her business. You know what she was able to do? Work when she could, stop when she couldn't. And she never had to fill out a single FMLA form or beg for time off. She told me, "I work at 10 p.m. I work at 5 a.m. I work when I can. But when my family needs me, I'm there. No questions asked." Now look, I know what you're probably thinking. "Randy, this sounds too good to be true. I don't know anything about legal work. I don't have any business experience." Now let me get real with you. Neither did any of our successful nurses when they started. You think Catherine, with 35 years of nursing experience, knew how to write a legal chronology? She didn't. But she went through our practice cases, and companies were offering her jobs just based on her practice work. She's working remotely for a risk management company now, about to go on a safari in Kenya while getting paid. And here's the thing, my friends. You already have what it takes. Every time you've documented a patient chart, you've done legal work. Every time you've caught a medical error, you've done a case review. Every time you've explained complex medical stuff to a scared family, you've done expert communication. What you need isn't more nursing credentials or another certification. You need someone to show you how to package what you already know into a service that attorneys desperately need and are willing to pay premium rates for. This is exactly why we built Catalyst the way we did. We don't just teach you legal nurse consulting. Anybody can do that. We walk you through 3 practice cases with individualized feedback. We show you exactly how to build on the business side. We surround you with a community of nurses who've already made the transition. Shauna, she's got a 2-year-old. It took her over a year to get through the program because life happens. You know what she just told me recently? "Randy, the community makes it. When I'm rocking my baby at 2 a.m. and I need encouragement, someone's there in the group. When I finish a case and need feedback, someone's there. You don't have to figure this out alone. You don't have to make the mistakes that I did when I started. And you definitely don't have to keep playing hospital hopscotch hoping the next job is somehow going to be different. So here's my challenge to you. You know I like to give these. Stop scrolling Indeed. Stop believing that another nursing job is going to fix this. Stop trading your life for a paycheck that never seems to be enough. Rachel said something that stuck with me. She was on her 6th nursing role in 12 years when she found us. And she said, I kept thinking the problem was me, that I just hadn't found my place in nursing. And then I realized I'd been looking for my place in the wrong world entirely. If you're ready to stop the cycle, if you're ready to use your nursing expertise to build something that gives you the income and the freedom and the respect that you deserve, then I want you to just take a minute and watch my free training. The link's in the video below, completely free, no catches. I'm going to show you exactly how legal nurse consulting works, what attorneys really need from nurses, and how nurses with zero business experience are building 6-figure practices working from home. But more importantly than that, I'm going to show you how to stop choosing between time and money, between respect and flexibility, between your career and your life. Because here's the thing, you can have it all. You just have to stop looking for it in another nursing job. Einstein said the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. Well, it's time to do something different. Click the link below, watch the free training, and let's talk about how changing your life and not just your job could change everything. Because you deserve more than just surviving until your next shift. You deserve to thrive. I'll see you in the free training.